How to make money online? If you're thinking to a method to earn money online from home, probably you never thought of roulette as a chance to make money. And probably you're right, but only if you're not using the safest roulette strategy to win at roulette. Even if non-roulette strategy can be 100% safe, these are the results I've achieved in the past few months using the safest roulette strategy that I've ever discovered. Here you can see my latest transactions from the casino to my Skrill account, and from my Skrill to my bank account. The method's completely legal and the payment arrives in just a few days, generally from 1 to 3 working days. So what's the method to make money online with roulette? Do you already know the martingale method? This strategy takes advantage of this system, but with some smart changes. It's really incredible. When I think of all the hours of work that a person with a normal job has to do to earn a little money a month, and how much time and money I managed to make using this strategy, I think it's really amazing. Crazy! Let's immediately see in detail how to make money online with this method. There are many ways to win at roulette, but what's allowed me to win consistently is to use the series of numbers 5 to 8 that covers the numbers you see in the video and gives you about a 33% chance of winning. Every time you win 17 pieces plus 1. Clearly this method does not work best on all casinos. I've tried several and I've put in the description of this video the only one that's ever given me any problems, which respects payments and which is really serious. To make everything as simple as possible and to explain how the method works, I created this table. In the column are represented the progressive bets. In the second, the winnings. And in the third, the actual winnings. In the fourth is the number of chips that you will bet in progression in the box 5-8. This is the only thing you'll have to follow. Also, there's a rule that's to make the empty roulette spin quickly for 3 consecutive times. Soon we'll see together what that means. The budget I use for this method is £1,443. But I've also created a table where the method can be used with only £198. So choose the one that best suits your budget in relation to how you want to start. If first slowly or starting immediately with the bet and the security that I use myself and that I show you in this video, you'll soon see with your own eyes why this method is so strong and how it actually works well. Okay, let's get started. Here we are. Let's see how a game session works in practice. Now I have here on the left the settings where you can put, well, I've removed the music because I prefer it like that. And here you can put the fast play to do faster. This is my current budget. Of course, you can also have a lower budget as seen earlier. The numbers you need to be careful with, I'll put them here. And then we start to spin. Click on Quick Spin to spin the roulette. The 25 in this case is part of a number that's not included in our table. You have to make 3 empty ones. The 30 instead is part of our numbers, and then we start from scratch. Let's do Quick Spin. The 23rd came out, and it's again part of our numbers. So let's start again doing Quick Spin and having a good 33% chance of winning. In this case, our number came out again, but for safety's sake, it's always good to have 3 empty spin before starting our series. In this case, the 4 is not among our numbers. Not even the 2. And let's see, not even the 19. At this point, they've come out 3 that have nothing to do with our series, and at this point, following our scheme, we take a chip of £1 and put it in this section. The numbers are positioned precisely in the desired series. And at this point, we make a quick spin. Now 20's come out. That's not, or rather is not part of our series of numbers. And then we continue to follow our pattern by inserting a chip and a half here, so that you get to bet £9 in total. Again, if you spin here and if it does not come out, the number goes on the next sequence, reminding us from time to time the chances of winning increase more and more. Let's see what happens. At this point, the bet is inserted. We do Quick Spin. And in fact, this time it came out. And we have obviously regained all the initial investment plus our gain of £9, exactly as the scheme says. So at this point we do clear bet, and we go on with it for a while, just to show you how well this method works. The only thing I'm going to do is not always wait for the 3 empty spins, because having gained some confidence in the method, I tried and saw that in this casino and in this roulette, the system works more than well even so. This, in my experience, is definitely a method to win very surely. But guys, let me know in the comments of the video what you think and if this method works with you. But now we go on following the pattern, and 1, quick spin, and we won. Clear bet. Again, 1, quick spin. We didn't win. 1.5. We won. By the way, look at the speed of gain we're having thanks to this method of winning at roulette. We won again, and yes, we're now clearly having very fast series. But with this method, the statistical chances of winning are in our favour, and in addition, increase as we go forward in the betting. And especially the gain with this method is well above the average of most techniques, often sold trying to explain how to make money and how to win at roulette. Great, we won again! Well, we've already passed £1,500 in no time. At this point, I'll speed up the video and continue to play to show you how great results can be achieved with this technique to win the online roulette of this site. Okay, let's go. Now we're already at £1,615, which is therefore a good result, but nothing compared to what this method can really bring. Maybe some of you'll think that I was lucky, but then let's see it together. Is it luck, or does this technique of winning at roulette really work? Let's keep playing. Okay, let's take a little break. We've gone over £2,000 and I'm sure many of you have already understood the power of this method, but some of you may still think you were just lucky again. Let's see it now. Let's see if it's really just luck that's been making me gain money through the past 6 months. Let's move on. We're almost at £2,500. We're making the last passes together at normal speed. 1, 1.5. £2,500 above. Guys, as you've seen, this method to make money works. I've been using it for quite some time and I hope you can make the most of it too. I'm already very satisfied for today and honestly, I would stop here, but since I really want to give you the proof that on this casino this method to win at roulette and earn money really works, well, I'll go on. What do you say? Maybe we should try double our initial budget. See you later. Okay, let's close this series together. Okay, you can see that sometimes the series are long enough, but for this reason, it's useful to have an initial security budget. The more the bets go on, the more chance of winning increases. And in fact we won. And we just exceeded £3,000. We started from 1,440, and I'd say that we've largely doubled. And for today, I will stop here because I'm more than satisfied. And if someone still doesn't believe it, he only has to try it, and you'll see with your own eyes. Before saying goodbye, I'd just like to remind you that you find all the necessary resources in the descriptions of the video. And I want to make a small note. No method to win roulette is 100% foolproof. The interesting thing is that with this system, the chances of losing are really so low as to make them very rare, and even if the misfortune of losing should happen, the statistical gains offered by this method will always be greater than the possible loss. To this date on this casino, I've never happened to lose, even if on the other site sometimes it has. I've been operating on this casino for more than 6 months, and it's not yet happened a single time to lose, but let me know in the comments how it goes. And in case it stops working, I'll activate to search and recommend another casino and another roulette as soon as possible, and update the links directly in the description of the video. So if the casino is no longer the same as the video, the reason will be in the descriptions. In short, guys, let me have your feedback and write to me in the comments. I'll try and answer all of you personally. I recommend that you don't consistently win the same amount of money every single day. You should also play other casino games so that the site can see that you don't always win, but that you sometimes also lose, like all normal people.